In this video, I'll show you how to analyze form submission data in HubSpot so you can understand how your forms are performing and where your leads are coming from. HubSpot provides built-in reporting tools that help you turn raw submission data into clear insights. To begin, sign in to your HubSpot account and go to the left menu, then click Reporting and select Reports to open the Analytics dashboard. Next, click Create Report at the top right and choose the template report library to access pre-built reports. In the search bar, type terms like forms or submissions to find templates focused on form performance. Select a report that matches your goal, such as tracking submissions over time or identifying top-performing forms. Once opened, review the charts and metrics to see trends, conversion activity, and traffic sources contributing to submissions. These insights can help you identify which forms are most effective and where improvements may be needed. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.